Yeah, you're so, ano kasi,
English naman. Uy.
we don't speak English in this country, you know. Because in my country,
Why you talking English then?
my English is not very good.
Very good.
No.
Very good
No,
then.
not that very,
Very.
like the one you
Ano yung
see
strawberry?
television, you know. But it's okay. Life in UK is very fine. I like it. I like living in UK, you know. I like boxing too, you know. Manny Pacquiao is my supporter number 1. Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is the beast. He's the beast. I like him a lot, you know. Beast. Ha?
Ano ha?
Wala na, sira na.
Sinira mo eh.
Hindi na mo, ikaw nagsasalita dyan eh. Ni-interview ako ng camera.
So, why do you like Manny Pacquiao?
Manny Pacquiao, I like him so much because the way he punch people, like he knock him out all the time, you know, punch in the face, body, you know, ears,
No.
so you can't hear anything. The coach tell you something, you won't hear it. Yeah. And you know, absolutely, he likes Filipino people, like them.
Them.
Are they
Why
there?
us?
Any more questions about Manny Pacquiao? Because I can answer them all.
What about, ano ba yung pangalan niya? Ay,